How do you make book art? I'm going to show you today in less than 60 seconds. First, you need a book. It's a bit hard to make book art without a book. You'll also need a template. Make sure the template suits the length of the book, and I'll tell you more about that in a future video. Choose how you want the template to sit and then fold the top of it over the pages of the book. This ensures the template stays at the same height for the whole book. For this design, all the pages are folded in just like this before you cut them. I usually leave the first 10 pages blank, so these only need to be folded. Then align the template with the first page. Next, hit the like button. Then it's time to start cutting. Align the left edge of the design with the folded edge of the next page. Mark it with a pen, cut along the lines and push in the flap. Importantly, put a mark next to the ruler line that you just used so you don't accidentally do the same part again. From then you move to the next ruler line. Mark and cut the relevant sections, push in the flaps and repeat. The final step is to watch my next video which goes into much more detail. Subscribe so you don't miss it.